Okay, welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another GoPro Karma video. Now, we've now got April 2021 and a lot of people having problems with these Karma drones still working. However, this one here, which I've had for quite a few years now, and there's a lot of videos on my channel. If you're interested, I'll link some of those down below in the description box. I've also got some problem solving videos of the Karma on my channel. So if you've got any GPS issues or something like that, check my channel for videos on how to fix it. Now I'm going to show you that this GoPro Karma still flies perfectly in April 2021. Okay, as you can see, the controller is doing its thing, getting ready to connect to the drone. It is a little bit windy, so if you can hear some wind noise, that's why. Swipe up to begin.
Ready to start. Press and hold the start-stop button.
Okay, I've just started recording the video. Start, stop.
3, 2, 1.
So as you just saw, the Karma flies perfectly without any problems. Now I'm using a GoPro Hero 5. Maybe that's the mistake some people are making, because the Karma drone is made for the GoPro Hero 5. Now you can also fit a 4 if you change the actual harness, or you can fit a 6 or 7. But I seem to be reading a lot of people having trouble when they have a GoPro Hero 7 in there instead of a 5. So look, if you've got a GoPro Karma and it's giving you dramas and you can't seem to fix it, maybe try a GoPro Hero 5. Not sure if that will solve your problems, but it might. And these can be bought fairly cheap now. You can go on Facebook Marketplace and pick up the GoPro Hero 5 in really good condition for, you know, maybe $100 or $150 or something like that. So they're not really that expensive and they're a great little camera. Now if you've got any questions in relation to this video, do me a favour, leave a comment down below in the comments section and I'll try and answer all your comments. In the meantime, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, not the Karma drone, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.